Want a free laser assisted pocket shot that you can easily charge? Here's the original, loaded with a 50 cal ball. Can load multiple rounds. Here's the original without a laser. Can still shoot arrows. And best for last, the Predator pocket shot. And I'm sure you can see how it got its name. Go to Colts 3D if you'd like to download any of these designs. Alright, time to get to shooting. Let's start with the Predator pocket shot, as I know y'all want to see that. I'm no Lars Anderson, but this technique was definitely inspired by him. What y'all think? Comment below. Yeah, that's in there. Not bad, not bad. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. In there. Not bad, not bad. Just a reminder, this is the free one. Best for last. Now for a quick switch to the 50 cal. Woo! Whew. Loaded like a shotgun. Alright, let's go. Oh shit. Miss. Damn. I promise, these impacts are much louder than y'all hear anything. Finally hit it. Whew. I'll have links to download the files on Colts 3D. I'll put links to everything used from the 3-piece arrows, broadheads, and lasers. Hopefully I can get some affiliate links and sponsorships. If you like this 3D printed pocket shot, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. I've got plenty more projects in the works. Take it easy.